Now let's return to our coverage of the judgment from The Hague in favor of Nigerian farmers against the Royal Dutch Shell Company. We're told it is considered victory for environmentalists and indeed people whose land have been polluted by oil spill. Our correspondent Uche Okoro has details now.
4 Nigerian farmers backed by Friends of the Earth Netherlands filed a corporate accountability suit against oil giant Shell Petroleum Development Company in 2008. They hold the Dutch company responsible for oil spills that damaged their farmlands between 2004 and 2008. In 2012, the lower court upheld the claims of the litigants from Akwa Ibom State but denied the claims of those from Goe community in Rivers and Oruma in Bayelsa State. Hearing of the appeal against that judgment began in October 2020 and judgment reserved for January 2021. The claimants, members of the organization and other environmental activists monitored the proceedings of the court in The Hague online. The judge ruled that Shell must pay an unspecified amount as financial compensation to the farmers for destruction of their sources of livelihood. Shell was also ordered to conduct a cleanup and prevent further spills. Those who followed the proceedings online are hopeful that the judgment will serve as a deterrent to oil pollution and guarantee environmental remediation.
Today is a day of hope because today is a day of reckoning. The day that Shell had been properly brought to judgment in their own home country. This is remarkable.
One of the farmers lost his sight but is happy with the outcome of the case. The judgment is, however, received with mixed feelings as 2 of the 4 farmers are not alive to see the matter resolved in their favor.
I am already blind. There's no money for me to even go for treatment. And if only Shell can pay me my compensation, which they have destroyed, I hope I will restore my health.
This victory is not for only me, it's for Niger Delta. It is for the Ogonis. It is for the civil society groups. It is of all those who labored tirelessly to support this struggle.
The judgment is considered to be the beginning of a new era where large multinational companies, especially in the oil sector, must go about their activities lawfully and be held accountable for their operations both home and abroad. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Port Harcourt.